One of the most exciting announcements a couple years ago was that Chevrolet was bringing Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to its vehicles. And it is a fantastic feature. However, a lot of people still don't know how to use it. So today, we're going to check out just how Android Auto works and how you can make the most of it.
Now this is one of the coolest features I think any Chevrolet has. And it works very, very easily. Now what this allows you to do though is project your phone right onto the screen here. So you can use music apps, navigation apps, even your phone and text messaging apps, all from your radio. It is Bluetooth on steroids. Take advantage of Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you just start by plugging your phone in. All you're going to need is the USB port cable that you use to charge your phone and your phone. All you have to do is plug it right in, and that's going to start the entire process of connecting your phone to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So once your phone's plugged in, you'll start getting messages up on the screen just like this one. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. This is for Android Auto, by the way. And that's going to start launching everything. Now, it's going to want the vehicle to be in park, which I'm just going to allow it to know that it is. And it's going to pop up some screens on my phone. I'm just going to accept everything. And it's going to bring some things up on the screen. It can show you how to do things. I'm just going to skip all of that. It's going to launch it right into the Android Auto system. So as you can see, my phone is now being projected right onto our radio screen here in the Chevrolet Equinox. So I've gone ahead and set my phone down because I'm not going to need it anymore. Everything is being projected right up here onto the radio screen, so I have easy access to it. And it's super easy to navigate. If I click on the phone button, it takes me to my phone areas where I can make a call out of here. If I go back to my main screen, I can see kind of a highlight of everything that's going on. So a podcast that I'm listening to, the weather, some recent calls I've made. Then if I go over to the music or the headphones, I can go right into my Google Music, or if I click it again, I can go into my Spotify account as well, which makes it really, really nice. Then I can come over here to navigation. Now my default navigation with Android Auto is Waze. But if I wanted to, I can click that arrow again and use Google Maps as well. This makes it really, really easy. Back on the main screen here, I can also simply hit this and I've got access to Google Assistant. So I can get all my questions answered, directed to send text messages, make phone calls, anything I want. It is really neat. So I mentioned that with Android Auto, you can use Google Assistant to do a whole bunch of different things, which I'm going to demonstrate here, and we'll start with text messaging. Send Tony Humbert a text saying, "Hey, what's going on?"
Here's your text to Tony Humbert. Hey, what's going on? Do you want to send it or change it?
Send it.
Okay. Message sent.
Now, let's say I want to navigate somewhere. I can use Google Assistant for that as well. Give me directions to Tom Gill Chevrolet.
Okay, handing off to Waze.
And as you can see, it's going to open it up right into Waze and allow me to navigate wherever I need to go. Now, obviously, I want some tunes to go along with my navigation, and the assistant can help me out with that as well. Play Layla.
Okay, asking to play Layla.
See if you can spell this one.
And it'll start playing the song you request. Really, really neat. We can also use Google Assistant to ask a lot of questions. What's the weather going to be like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Florence, it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 55 and a low of 42.
Sounds like a pretty good day of car shopping to me. Can we get anything else? Tell me a joke.
One joke coming up. Why don't people sympathize when your books fall to the floor? Because you only have your shelf to blame.
And it even provides some entertainment. Google Assistant really does it all.
As you can see, Chevrolet has really upped their technology game, allowing you to be more informed and connected than ever before. Now, if you've got any more questions, feel free to comment below, give us a call, or visit us at tomgill.com. Also, don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel. There will be more how-tos and walkarounds of Chevrolet product so you can continue to learn more and more about what Chevrolet has to offer.